Hello everybody. I want presented my paper entitled Consumer Trust to Buy Green Product Investigation of Green Purchase Value with Green Satisfaction Mediation. This paper written by Mr. Dr. Hari Lutfi and I'm as a presenter is Dandy Marcelino SAB. We are from Telkom University. Okay. First of all, I want to describe about this research background. This research background, like now the increase in Earth's temperature, according to NASA, has an impact on the occurrence of various weather anomalies in many parts of the world. 2019 is called the second hottest year on record, released by studies from NASA and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Global warming causes consumers to be more interested in buying products from companies that care about the environment, but it's not as easy as an environmentally friendly product that can be accepted in the market because marketers need to introduce specifically and provide clear information concerning, however, the environmental performance of the products offered. Okay, then one company that applies a green marketing strategy business is Starbucks. One of the green program launched by Starbucks is giving discount to visitors who bring their own tumbler when enjoying coffee at Starbucks. By involving visitors in the reuse movement or use of used coffee cups, this company can reduce coffee cup waste every year. This has become a very encouraging fact, especially for coffee enthusiasts who can now enjoy serving coffee from Starbucks more environmentally friendly. Starbucks was apparently founded using plastic raw materials that have been certified by Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, or LEED, which guarantees that Starbucks carries the concept of environmentally friendly. Uh, we will make a preliminary study. With open the result of preliminary study by research, it can be seen that there are respond that disagree with all statements related to Starbucks, green perceived value, green satisfaction, and green trust, especially for a statement about the price dimension in green perceived value variable. Price is one of the main things that concern consumers. Thus, it could be said that the green perceived value variable is an important factor to form green satisfaction and its impact on the green trust of consumers. We can see from this answer, much of consumers say that they are disagree. Okay, next, this is the research framework. There are 4 hypotheses. Hypothesis 1 is green perceived value has a positive influence to green satisfaction. Hypothesis 2, green satisfaction has positive impact to green trust. Hypothesis 3 is green perceived value has significant influence to green trust. And the last hypothesis 4 is green perceived value has a green trust has an effect to green trust mediated by green satisfaction. Okay, you can see the indicator or dimension from its variable. Okay, research methodology. The analysis methodology used in this research is quantitative research with descriptive and causative studies. The sample is consumers who have made sample of the study is the consumer who have made purchases and used product from Starbucks in Bandung City, whose number are only 100 respondents. Okay, I will try to describe about the causative or associative research, aim at finding the relationship between cause and effect to find out the relationship between this variable ya. Jadi from independent to dependent, we will find a relationship from that. Okay, next. This is the first substructure result. Now, from this first substructure result, we can see that from the value of T count, this first substructure result, we can see the impact of X variable to Y variable. Yeah, this is a green purchase value, and this is the green satisfaction. We only focus on this part, X and Y. Okay, we can see that the T value is 13.881. This value is greater than the T table, which the T table is 1.9. So X variable have or green purchase value has a significant influence or significant effect to green satisfaction. Okay, then we can see this determinant coefficient result in substructure 1. Okay, this is 81.4% R value that indicates that our relationship between variable is included in strong category. Okay, this is mean that R square is 66.3% is the remaining 100 minus 66.3 is 33.7% is explained by other unknown independent variables. This is mean that green purchase value has a 66.3% to green satisfaction. Okay, then this is the second substructure like before. This is a green purchase value has not significant because the T count is the T value is lower than the T table. Yeah, but the green satisfaction has a higher value. Green satisfaction T count is greater than the T table. Then we can say that X to Z is not significant, but Y to Z is significant. Okay, and then the value of R is 0.793. This is a strong category. And then the R square is 62.9%. Okay, this is the summary of PET coefficient. We can see that this is X to Y. The PET coefficient is 0.8. The direct effect is 66.2%. This is a significant effect. X to Z is only 1.69%. This is no significant because the PET coefficient is less than the T table. Okay, then the Y to Z is 0.6. The direct effect is 46.79%. This is a significant effect. X to Z through Y is 55.68%. This is an indirect effect because X to Z through Y. X to Z direct is not significant, but X to Z through Y is significant. This is a new outcome. Okay, X and Y to Z. This is a simultaneous effect. This is 0.68 or 68.68%. This is a significant effect too. Then the conclusion, the result of this study which states that the indirect effect that occurs is the green purchase value to green class stroke. Green satisfaction has a greater value than the direct effect. This is because Starbucks customer will not be able to trust Starbucks current products without having to go through the satisfaction stage. First, these results only examine the effect of green present value on green trust, green satisfaction of Starbucks customers. So further researchers are advised to continue this research, but by adding variables related to green marketing. For example, green perceived quality, green perceived rate, green repurchase intention, and other variables that support this reason. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.